Hi, hello. Today I wanted to talk about the K3S and the Cilium integration. So this is a Cilium article talking about K3S. So you can deploy Cilium in K3S. And so more than that, today I wanted to talk about a big IP, K3S, and the Cilium integration, and do a quick demo, like under 10 minutes, to set up the deployment. So I have a script, a bash script, in here F5 Dev Central, and under this F5 CI docs repo. Okay, so under this repo, I have K3S Cilium bash script. So basically, this bash script will download the K3S, start everything from scratch. So like download the K3S, startups the K3S, and deploy Cilium. Of course, with the VTEP integration feature turned on, and so it can work with big IP. And also here, I also deploy the CIS to manage the configuration resources from the K3S to the big IP. So I'm going to do this demo now. What I need is this is just one virtual machine, and I already installed the K3S. But the nice thing about the K3S is you can uninstall it with this script. It comes with a K3S. After you install K3S, you will have a K3S uninstall bash script, so you can remove everything if you don't want K3S. You want to remove K3S. So now everything is removed. I don't have like copycat or command, but now I'm going to install the K3S with this bash script. So here, -N is to specify the load IP, the K3S load IP, one single load, and this is to specify the VTEP tunnel subnet, which is on the big IP. So the big IP has the tunnel subnet of this, and this is big IP VLAN self IP, and this is big IP VTEP MAC address. Okay, and we can log on to the big IP to just double check. Okay, so this is the big IP tunnel subnet and VLAN self IP. And this is the VTEP MAC. So 6B28, here 6B28, self IP maps matched, and the subnet. Okay, so with this one script, we will start up everything and for the deployment. So here we have the output, and first step, install K3S. So this is one thing I like about the K3S. It does everything for you to set up the cluster properly. So K3S is up, and now we deploy the Cilium with the VTEP feature turned on. And so you can see, since I just removed the K3S cluster, so right now the virtual on the big IP is red. And so let's wait for the K3S deployment and the Cilium and the CIS. So after that, this virtual server should become green. Okay, let's get it to our secrets. All right, the Cilium agent is up, and you can see here the subnet is added in the IP cache, Cilium IP cache, and the VTEP map. So when Cilium sends the traffic to this subnet, it will use this as a VTEP endpoint for encapsulation, and with this VTEP map. So this is for step 3 to deploy CIS. So CIS requires the big IP admin user and a password. So let's type in admin password. Okay, so this will start to deploy the CIS. And so let's wait for what the CIS does is to update the big IP with the FDB entry, like here this diagram. The CIS, what the CIS does is to update the big IP with the K3S load FDB entry. And let's go to our terminal here. So now the CIS is up. We also deployed the config map. So now the big IP. So as you can see, the virtual server is green now. And let's look at the pool member. That should be the Cilium managed pod IP. So remember 10.0.0.4, 10.0.0.125. Okay, so let's look at the pod here. We have, okay, so here's the pod, F5 Hello World pod, 2-pod IP in the big IP pool member. And so the virtual server IP address is this IP address. So let's do a simple test from a client. So this is let's send a curl request to this week, and you can see here we got a response F5 Hello World pod web page. Okay, so under 10 minutes, and you got a working lab with K3S Cilium and big IP. So what I forgot about is that what the CIS does is to set up FDB entry for the K3S load. Okay, So this is the MAC address for the node K3S node IP. Okay. So this is our node IP and K3S node IP. Right? When we run this command, we have the node IP. Okay. So, and then you can, again, you can remove the K3S with uninstall, and it will remove everything. So yeah, I just want to show you a quick demo with this bash script that you can run. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye-bye.